right, and welcome again to our newest lesson for Ansible. And we're going to discuss in the lesson 10, Ansible Bolt. And as you can see, we are in the lesson 10. And nandito po nga tayo ngayon sa ating terminal. And we're going to discuss about Ansible, okay? Vault. Paano po itong gagawin dito is if you have a secure something, mga file, so you need to do is to use an Ansible Bolt, okay? Like right now, I'm going to ls to check if uh, if I have already the Bolt password because I'm going to create a Vault here, pass key here. But before that, we're going to install this one. So before po tayo mag-proceed po dito, so we need to install first yung ating passkey, okay? So dito, sinave ko dito yung passkey ko because I already use it generated encrypted passport dito, okay? So since I already created it sa mismong home directory ko, so if I'm going to check on it, okay, uh, this one, okay? Let me type on it. Okay, so ito na po yung file, nasa home directory and sa ngayon nasa mode siya ng other. So other can read pa rin, no? And sa group is still read. So all I have to do is only the owner ang makaka read dito. So I'm going to change mode here to 600 because we're going to disable the read in the other and the group sa ating mode natin, sa ating bolt passkey na hidden file. Then if you're going to check on it again, so you see, only read and write siya sa ating mismong owner. Okay? That is what we're going to do. Okay? So let's move again sa ating folder sa lesson 10. So you can also check on it sa ating GitHub. But I think here is more in, ano po tayo, more in the command for the Ansible Bolt. Okay? Okay, let me clear on it. Okay. And then what we're going to do is to create here sa lesson 10 natin ng example lang natin na information text ito. So I'm going to type here, for example, uh, going to write something here. Sabihin na lang natin na ito po yung ating secret file, okay? Secret password or what I trying to type here. And then after that, I'm going to put a smiley here, guys. So uh, exit po tayo. And then, gagawin po natin ngayon here is what we're going to do here is we're going to witness a new command here for Ansible. So you can see marami po tayong mga certain na executable na command for Ansible if you're going to install already the Ansible, okay? But we're going to focus more in the Bolt. So probably we're going to discuss the other what we saw here sa ating gan po natin. Okay? So Bolt na muna tayo. So we see clearly here that we have a Ansible Bolt here na naka-install sa system po natin. So if I'm going to use it, so Ansible, Vault, and then first, ang po natin na gagawin is encryptions. We're going to encrypt certain file which is we created earlier, yung info text po natin, and we put it a password, okay? So what we get here is we use this software here na nagawa ko, ang na-install ko sa system ko. So you can also check on it sa ating kampo natin, sa ating GitHub, yung proseso. So right now, I'm going to encrypt it and it's successfully encrypted. Okay, kung ano po yung password na nakuha ko sa aking password generated. So dito po nilagay ko po sa aking new Vault. So if you can check again the info text. So ito po yung mga nakikita natin. So wala pong something something dito na nakita natin, tinype natin before. Okay? That's how he encrypt a file. So right now, if we're going to decrypt it, so opposite of encryption, so we're going to use decrypt. Okay? And then we're going to put on a parameter of vault password and then file. We're going to use the file that we created earlier na tinatago po natin sa ating home directory, which is yung vault passkey. Okay, if you remember that. So yun po yung gagamitin natin to decrypt our info because there's a certain password na nalagay po natin dito sa vault passkey. Okay? And if you can see, na-decrypt po siya. Okay? Successfully. If we're going to check on it again, wala. You see? Nakita po natin. So, ang kakaiba po natin na kinat po natin before is more in gibberish text that we have. Right now, if we decrypt it, so we saw already what we... Okay, if we're going to encrypt again, so we have to do something here nakakaiba. Gagawin po natin encrypt again. And then the vault. Okay. Password pa rin. Info. Okay. Gagamitin pa rin natin yung vault passkey sa home directory natin na ginawa. And then yung info text natin. Okay. You see? Okay, so probably nagkamali po tayo sa ating parameter here. Okay, so ito po yung nakita ko. So kulang ng another dash. Okay. And encrypted siya successfully. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to use some certain mga pwede natin gagawin na argument dito, okay? You can see may encrypted po tayo, view, rekey, create. So probably ang discuss po natin dito ngayon is yung kanina is more in encrypt, decrypt. Probably ngayon is gagamitin natin yung edit, okay? As you can see, if I'm going to cut, yun yung uh, makikita natin. So ngayon, if you're going to decrypt it, to view kung ano po yung ginawa natin kanina sa loob ng ating cut file, so ang gagawin na lang natin is to add this positional argument na view. Okay? You can see, ito po yung nakita natin. I will make a secret password. Ito po yung sa inedit natin. Okay? No more hassle for that na gagawin po natin magka-cut pa tayo or mag-VI. So, all we have to do is to do that. Okay? Yung argument na yan. So, what I'm going to do right here, for you again, no, na you notice na I said it na totoo. So, I will add another line here for this file. So, to make it fancy lang guys, no, make it more uh, hindi boring ating video right now. So I put something here. So now it will reveal, okay? Right now. So we're going here to go back here. So if you're going to view again, put the view, okay? So nakikita po natin. See the difference? Okay, so the next thing we're going to create right now is Ricky, okay? if ever na ma-compromise po yung ating password, so how are we going to change our password here? So, ang gagawin po natin dito is we have something that we saw earlier na rekey sa ating argument, sa ating Ansible Vault, and that is rekey. I'm going to type rekey, okay? And then the information, the text. So, if isa kan po to sa mismong ating Ansible po to, so pwede itong mga kan po natin, yung mga sensitive information sa ating playbook po natin. Okay? So right now, ang gagawin ko lang is yung information text na muna na ginawa po natin. So, and then we use the bold passkey here for us to change or rekey or change the password. So I'm going to type on it. Okay. Mhm. So, tatype ko siya. So, nagkamali pa ako guys. So, sorry. So, for that, so I'm going to see to it that the password is confirmed and validated. Okay, so nag-error pa talaga siya. So, I will retype again my passwords for the new vault and then confirm my new password. Okay, and there you have it. So, ganun na siya kasimple guys. So, if ever na change po natin yung password po natin sa ating vault po natin. Okay? So, if you're going to view again, so it will already work yung mga ginagawa po natin. Okay? So, hirap po guys kung na-compromise po yung ating mga kan po natin pag hindi po natin gagawin. So, yun mangyari. Okay?